This year at Motor Werks, we reset our focus to our Barrington location and, most importantly, our community, the place where it all began. In response to COVID-19, we are taking the measures necessary to ensure people can safely purchase and service their vehicle through limiting dealership foot traffic. Here are just a few ways we are doing our part in flattening the curve. Over the phone and virtual meetings and discussing your future vehicle needs. At-home test drives for your convenience. Finalizing all paperwork on our end so you never have to step foot into the dealership. We are also encouraging similar initiatives for vehicle needing to be serviced. This includes social distancing drop-off and enhanced cleaning services when returning serviced vehicles. We want to thank our customers for their constant loyalty and support during these unprecedented times. Thank you.